Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the G4 notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the G4 notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery. Removal: loosen the two captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the accessory cover, identified with a hard disk, wireless, and memory icon, to the base enclosure. Lift the rear edge of the accessory cover and remove it. Remove the 5mm P1 Phillips head screw, identified with an optical drive icon, that secures the optical drive to the notebook. Using a small, non-metallic tool, press on the rear edge of the optical drive to free the optical drive from its connector on the system board. Remove the optical drive from the base enclosure. Replacement: insert the optical drive into the optical drive bay until the tray door bezel is flush with the side of the base enclosure. Replace the 5mm P1 Phillips head screw, identified with an optical drive icon, that secures the optical drive to the notebook. Tow the accessory cover, identified with a hard disk, wireless, and memory icon, into position and press down along the edges of the accessory cover to secure it to the base enclosure. Tighten the two captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the accessory cover to the base enclosure.